Alrighty, class, welcome to the overview of the participation rubric for discussion posts for special education law. So each post that you'll have several throughout the semester. You're going to be asked to respond to at least one peer unless otherwise noted on the post. All initial posts should be completed on the Saturday before our next class. So for example, if you have 2 weeks between classes, you will be posting on the Saturday before, about 2 weeks minus 2 days from when the discussion post goes live. But your response to that peer needs to be by 4:30 on that day class is open. So on that following Monday. I really want to give you time not only to respond to each peer, but also there may be back and forth discourse on the post that you make. So I do not need that post immediately, the response to a peer. The most important one is you getting obviously in your initial post or reaction to the discussion post that I have posted for you, but you do need to respond to a peer for each discussion post this semester. I'm going to grade this. So it may look like on your grade portion of Canvas that you're not getting credit for these posts. It's set on the algorithm side to add up to 0% of your grade. However, we're going to take all of the points you earn at the end of the semester and average them to work out to that 20% of your grade that is in the rubric or in your syllabus, excuse me. But how I'm going to grade each post week to week is that obviously 0 points that you did not participate, no posts were made, or you just had no contribution to it, or a very minimal post of a few words or sentences. 1 point would be a minimal effort post, maybe a few lines in relation to the post requirements. Maybe you answer the question, did not have any reference to any of the content in the class. Maybe it was just an opinion piece. Also, not responding to a peer, you will lose points. It's oftentimes why someone goes from a 2 to a 1 is because they didn't post to a peer, or you're late, for example. 2 points, that's you answering all the discussion questions for that week on time. A brief comment was given to a peer, maybe a comment of agreement rather than one to further thinking in the group. But 2 points is pretty much the baseline of what you want to hit. 3 points would be an in-depth post, one that really furthered the group, an exemplar level post, or one that is when I would use honestly to show off course content in future courses. So a 3 is not the norm. You will not be getting 3s for every single post unless you are someone that is going above and beyond every single week. Some people will do that. There are not many of these discussion posts, so I really implore you to go for that 3 for each week. But typically most of you will be receiving 2s in this course going forward for discussion posts. So again, exemplary posts, you'll be getting 3s. If you forget to, get to a peer, that'll be knocked down to a 1. I can give half points here and there for certain reasons if you're late, something like that. But typically, standards on discussion posts, you'll be getting 2 in here. If you have any questions, please get more to me. And we don't have many this course due to it being a 6-week course. But I did want to flag how I'm going to be grading you on those because that does add up to a significant portion of your grade.